Beautiful people. So today I'm gonna ask you a question. Do you believe the people that uh, the advertisement that you are seeing online, that buy this ebook or download this free trial or get this free 15 days or get these tips to learn how to make money, how to lose weight, how to every day when we open our social media, or even if you are watching YouTube, we see advertisements, different advertisements. Click here to get this, click there to get there. Do you believe in what you are seeing? Let me know in the comments if you believe this advertisements. If yes, why? If you don't believe them, also comment why. I want to know why you don't believe the commercials. For me, let me tell how I feel when I see somebody that's saying, hey, I'm a millionaire. He makes a video with a Ferrari. He makes a video with a, I don't know, you name it, in the yacht, in the airplane that he owns. I see it very different from me. I see it very unfamiliar. I see it very, how should I say, I don't see myself owning that, doing that, Why? Because I will say that, hey, this guy has millions and now he's telling me how to get million. I already know that in my subconscious that he had money from his father, from his grandfather, from somewhere. He did something and he got lucky. So maybe he was even rich before he have done this video. I don't have a clue about his struggles, if he had any. So I kind of get suspicious. Why I'm telling this? Because people are always suspicious, just like me. I am. I know this because I've been doing this for 45 days. I still get messages and comments that how my body changed is like photoshopped, or there is something weird in the image, there is something weird in the picture. So I know that people always will have doubt, and they will always talk, and they will always ask, and they will always argue whatever they are seeing is true or it's just fabricated, it's just advertisement to get you motivated. So what I am doing this channel is, to be honest with you, I'm doing it to be an example, first of all, for my children in the future, because to see someone from a working person, 9 to 5, 8 to 5 working person, going from regular employment to self-business, okay, owning his own business. So I've been doing this, I'm on this mission to prove them when they grow up that they don't have to be employed or seeking jobs or doing sacrifices just to keep their day job or whatever job they will work in, or whatever they choose that they have to do. I will not force them to own their own business, but I will lead them by example. I will show them their dad how he did this, and if they choose to follow, if they choose to live a life full of freedom, full of own decisions, build a lifestyle that is only dependent on their personality, on their how much they want to help other people. This is all it is about, owning a self-business. If you are just doing this for the money, you have a target, you have a goal. Everybody does something for the money, yeah? Even the doctors, even the lawyers. Nobody will serve you for free or live their family or their personal life without any resources and will come and help you only 24/7. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm documenting what I'm doing, for even if there are other people who want to see and benefit and have questions in the future, because in the future I'm sure I will be where I want to be, and there will be people asking me, Garo, how did you do this? How did you do this? I don't believe you. You already had the money. You already had the capital. You had already someone who left you a fortune. I don't know. You've done something illegal. You've done some illegal deals. You have done, name it. People can ask and question you for anything they wish for. Anything of they can think about that people can make money. You know, usually when we see rich people, too much money, we say, hey, this guy is doing something suspicious in the background. He's claiming that he is doing X, but he is a drug dealer. He is organizing something illegal behind the scenes. He is weapon dealers or whatever, name it. You name whatever you want. He's a scammer. He is and she is and whatever it is. So this is just to prove, when you see me advertising before your screen after a couple of months, couple of years, so you don't have a doubt where I come from, you have to go to day one of my videos and check how I'm doing it step by step. So this is, I think, one of a kind experience. I don't know if anybody else has done it, has thought about it. So there is, first of everything, if you are watching this after 25th, 26th of February, let me guess, yes, I think we are 26th of February. So if you are watching this after 26th of February, you know what I exactly mean. 2021, yes, let me tell the year, because you may be watching this after a couple of years even. So yes, this is a social proof of how you can change your entire life. You know, I'm getting healthy and exercising every day, different exercises every day, because I own a business that is about anti-aging, how to live younger, look younger, live healthier, most of important thing, and how you can create a lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, while you're owning your own life, your own decision, your own business. So I want to become this person before I can encourage others. I want to become this healthier person, which started to take care of himself after he's 42. So I have all the what can I call it? I have all the credits, because I'm working 8 to 9. Let me put it this way. I was smoking, not exercising, have a bad habits of eating sugars and sweets, and you know, especially after the the lockdowns and COVID, we were more indoors and spending more hours on the couch or behind the computer. So this is my physical. This is the physical side, the physical part. And from the other side, if you would talk about being a business owner, I'm a guy who works 8 to 5, regular job. And when he comes home, he has a family to take care of, a shopping list to go and purchase. And I'm the only one in the house driving home. So I have to do whatever needs transportation, I have to do it. So taking care of the family, spending time with the family after my 8 to 5 job. I own my own internet marketing company, running that, taking care of businesses locally and internationally to go and help them in SEO and marketing, social media management, etc. So one is work, Second is being a dad. Third is having my own internet marketing company, running it. And fourth is we have a community website and community Facebook group, Facebook page, which we do different types of shows, interviews, articles on the website. So I have these things going on in my life, and now plus I have a part-time my own business which we started with my wife, and I'm going full in this. So whatever I have time left, I'm putting it there. So my first goal is to show the world, to show my wife, to show my children that I'm doing all of this. Besides, I'm working part-time on my own business of anti-aging lifestyle, let's say. And what I want to do, what I want to achieve is I want to double my income. I want to make twice as much as I'm making from my day, full day, 8 hours per day job. I want to double that income. Let's say if I'm doing 1,000, I want to do just part-time from my own business another extra 2,000, so I can prove that I can start, or anyone can start a side hustle, their own business, and they can make double income of whatever they are doing as a employee, as an 8 to 5 working person. So love you all, take care, and see you tomorrow.